In today's video, I will walk you through how to create an account on Coinmarketcap. To create your Coinmarketcap account, start by selecting the Sign Up option. You will see the account registration page with fields for your email address and password. Enter your email address in the required field. Then create a password that you can remember. The password must contain both letters and numbers and have a minimum length of 8 characters. After entering your details, complete the security verification by sliding the puzzle piece into the correct position. Make sure the puzzle is aligned properly to continue. Once the verification is completed, you will see a message saying that an activation email has been sent. Check your email and follow the instructions provided to complete the account registration. After your account has been verified, you will be redirected back to Coinmarketcap. You will then see a confirmation message showing that you have successfully logged in. To view your account details, go to your Accounts section. Here, you can see your profile information, including your avatar, display name, and username. If you want to update your profile information, select the option to edit your account details. You can change your avatar by choosing the Edit option and selecting the available option you prefer. After making your changes, your updated personal information will appear in your account. Your account is now set up and ready to use. Thank you for watching.